Hello guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix household problem. If you are facing this problem, then you have to go to your home screen and now click on settings and you have to scroll down and find the apps. Click on apps and now click on manage apps and in the search bar type Netflix and in the app info section you will see a app permission option. Click on app permission and here you will see all the necessary permission you are required. If you are having any required permission that are not allowed, you have to allow them to fix this issue. After applying all the necessary permission, you have to go to your app and open it to see if you are having this household problem again or not. If you are still facing this issue, you have to go to your Netflix app and go to customer support and tell them you are facing this issue and they will help you to further assistance. These method will help you to fix your problem. Thanks for watching.